2014 Chevy 1500 5.3 liter. Still got the stock converters. Then a third converter. Then we did a wide pipe setup, 3-inch to 2.5 wide pipe and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides with into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. They sound phenomenal.
It's so quiet, man.
Not for long. Much better. Sounds perfect. Nice and tucked. You can't see it until you go all the way back, like that.
Brake light, man. You still gonna do it tomorrow.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Nice.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone